Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover all WhatsApp chats once you click on skip for the backup. So the first step, you simply need to go and you need to uninstall the WhatsApp. Click here and click on uninstall. Once you uninstall, you simply need to go onto the Play Store and search for the WhatsApp. Click on that and you need to download WhatsApp again, and after that you need to add your number and click on next, and then you have the option for backup and you need to click on that and you need to have your backup. So I do not want to complete this process because it takes some time, but this is the complete process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.